Jeniko ni watho ita please.
Jetagwo board chair gathai nderi.
Kasibwa vichekezo katuzi na Nairobi. Rehure ne mohigo. Yes.
Mathukuru riu kuma muthe actually mamwe marahingire ira mundu kule marahinga.
Yes.
Na nasikia kama wamekibiza masiku juu ya kukosa namna ya kipesa huko shuleni.
Nasikia shule kidogo zimekasa mkada kwa sababu ya ukosefu wa itirafu ya hela.
Mathukuru ni maharire.
Yes.
Ni kwa bia.
And you see, every time tokiari horo wa kuinga kwa thukuru ri, there was always a new Tuesday to every generation. Kariwa mararuta metu jare izo tiare metugo eyo.
Acha.
Metugo ne a juice muno.
Eyo ne a juice yo ti amatuko mahede ite.
Ati miega ona nini. Yes. Ndona ru aruto marute take.
Metweja.
Etweja.
It's very risky behavior.
Izo tiare ogwo. And largely because sa kuna matuko matereri. Ti andwa ige matho magira kundu meguthi thabari ndaihu.
Acha.
Yes.
Actually most people amarika maitonge moria kule matho meire ma secondary na ma primary.
Yes.
It's fairly within your home county.
Within the home county, if not within the sub-county.
Yes.
The division then, or the district, which is the county now.
Yes, ya matuko mau.
Ona ige mathia maguru na twanari uhoro ucio. Aria meiguaga makeihũria ri. Ni agicagi, no ni maigira ngari muno mathi Nairobi, makaumira Thika.
Akagira nditi.
Nigetha andu a rugongo ri. Na ndo ni magure gua ati uikarako. Satellite. Na ndio reso ko nyangiti.
No kafo thini ohare.
Kafo hare pio.
Na yo thandekeritwa.
But you make your statement. Urathomera kuria ruthakati. Andu ni magithio kaigira ngari yao. Ukoria ko ndura kwa ngaka Nairo.
Ngambia na sing na lombi.
Hayo unashiki na hii wapi?
Langata.
Haya, wewe ni Lango? Ukoga si uko. Rangata. Akijado ukagate. Uko na ufia ya kuri. Ongelea makiria ni watheni nginya aciari. Kamera. Nasikia kidogo hapo Keno. Kuna mzigo mkono nilikuwa namsukulia.
Kwa nduka ya anti yangu.
Nyinyi muendage
kwa nyuma.
Sababu unajua mimi nasikia gakonja. Au Keno ri. Ukaingira Rugongo Express.
Ukaba gwetha haria ungiria shafashi na nyeni.
Yes.
Motu. No tigie cia gukinyia mucii.
Kana kwe ni shafashi na ndego was a delicacy. Nowadays these girls will not eat that.
Shafashi ndego.
Because shafashi ndego ri. Hendo nyona karango thondekwo ta smucha. Eko hora shafashi. And you see Dengu, we came to understand to Akurakura. It was a very economical meal.
Very.
Because it was heavily riparian.
And affordable.
Na Dengu sabayo ne kue. So you would literally take chapatis with the green pigmentation
of Dengu.
Yes. Na kwina mati na gagirio.
Magathobo sania.
It never looked very. Someone who is above 15. There was a particular caliber of students, especially at boarding. No more the boarding we can shopping. They all twarithia ginya midi.
Ukamenya riu nawe withime. Shopping ira wekirwo igukinyaneria either mid term kana muhingo wa tamu.
No gecoka kuma midi ri. Shopping muciari ni akuhuthagiria. Yes. Riu andu wakora within 3 weeks. Ndari onaki.
They have exhausted their supply.
They have nothing. Ona matinagerio thabuni. Kana agakomberera ta bururi.
Culture ya ngombo ti hindi yambia.
Yes. Na rimwe no akombaga mundu ukaheo kasoni. Either muni wa imperial
leather.
Imperial leather. Ukaneo cio. We ogicoka ri. Ugacokia flamingo. Okay, no nakinya threshold. Tondu wacokia joy.
Uguo niguo tureka China thaa ici.
Yes. Where are you, Carson? Eo ne tier 1.
No emirihire-ini ri.
Mirihire-ri. Risoso sirio kana cio ri. Uramone flamingo iranunga ndarathini.
Na ti kwenda ni uria pocket wise we uikaire kuma na mucii.
Yes. Kana kamwira atiriri kirenge jama nuthu.
We wa muti.
Ho wetagwo ki. No ngiwahana wa gacugu.
Cio ndwari goro.
Na nĩ mũndũ wakũire imperial ni insistaga I will take the whole bar.
Cikanjane.
Na hĩndĩ ĩyo ũgũrĩirwo mĩtĩ ĩno. Ũmwe wa gwĩthamba.
No ngi wa kũhũra nguo.
Na ti ũrenge mwena ũyũ mũraihu yakorwo na rĩrĩ. Ciĩtagwo ndũ.
Ithimo.
Yes.
Calibrated ni manufacturer.
Yes. He mwena warĩ mwariĩ. Itonga ciarenga mwena ũcio.
Na mwena wa boda.
Na mwena wa lipo mdogo.
Boda buri.
Mwena wa subsidiary. Na capitation.
No wathimagwo tunina nini tuingi.
No nema thikũ ici ndigwĩciria nĩ marĩ mĩena ĩyo ĩrĩ. There are several graduations. Rĩu we kũringana ũrĩa kwanyu kũhana rĩ nĩ wamenya which side of the coin
to you.
If you are wasteful, wahũthagĩra ta andũ a Nairobi. And you know it was also risky. The more soap you cut, the more you can lose. Okay, you.
There are chances of theft.
Yes.
And you are not insured.
And there were some misers. You know where they learned that. Mategiaga thabuni kamahũra mana. You see, bafu ndiakiri problem, especially for boys. I don't know about girls. But I get to it right. You see, most schools back then, when morality was not that bad, we used to bathe in one bathroom. Around 10 of us in the market makaya.
Muharada.
They were not a thavuni. When no bafu waigira.
Waigiraga.
And because there was a lot of steam, when I was here, motor on another food, you know what? I don't know how that still happens. There are only like 10 bathrooms.
I think these days they do cubicles.
Yes. You see now again, the times have changed. And some negative exposures as well.
And morality.
Hey, we have a get our coil of the food. No other food wakwa. That's okay. Because they were very dimly lit. Of course, purposefully. They have nothing.
In Korea, supply how they are out.
Yes.
Kindu like 1 month into the term.
Yes.
And
then there were the demagogues who used to run the system. Murahiga in 2 days. Koko yake nuthu.
Maisa.
Maisas. Gudike.
Gudijiro.
Ena shukureti ma. Kefafa nuthu.
Na mutigetie thiko igiri muhinge.
Yes. That is the only time they would become now generous. Remwe ne ikara kindu ginya eka expire.
Maisa ici.
Tariu wewe hojo na ndikumugweta rito tondo ruta gwa power.
Go puti wa tokendi.
That fella okala safasi thate. Agasianekira riua literally cioma ituike ta creeps. He would eat them for a month. You know, conservation to a war of food, quite drying. He used to use very rudimentary methods.
Yeah, drying.
My carrot come kaiwa. He was snacking.
Akomithia cabaci akaria mweri.
Eko makaraka na frywood.
Ndĩngĩthũka.
Ndĩngĩthũka. Andũ moici muno nĩ athukagia kĩ?
Ĩthũkagia irio.
Carrot come kaiwa. Kwa mundu na sukari kiro
nä kå hinga må rahinga na må ndå å cio ngä må hoya må takuhä rä irie kå hinga
wakora mundu and those no mama mekagira kambuni mathabu thiku ici mundu ona tikiwi karude getagwo rude ena karude karia kanini hutiragia freshi nä å rä wona kandå retagwo Salt Bay räikagia gacumbä å guo aka kä ratå and then there was agå kong'ithia na må ndå å cio angä akå heire rangi wake å kong'ithia å guo nä mwahätanagia
å ru må no na ndagakå he kä ndå rä
never ever and there were they are now the extreme ones. You would wonder what runs in their mind. Muthenya wa muhingo ri akainukia koko
useless
sukari akainukia
urainuka na sukari ukiuma thukuru. Who
are you? You are going to take, no?
Urenda kuonania muci makuheire indo more than enough.
Yes. Andu ni mona ati agekwa kwanyu mwethi na muno aigokira wena
agikurukire kinini wina kio ni uratigia gya kuinukia.
Never mind, those people are very successful in life. Very mamenyire economies of scale gaten
na discipline
ere igitutari kwatha kana mundu waguraga metote maguta ma ukama na matene
reis
akahutia agathiri makinya makahiuha we mayuha nĩ matuĩka semi-liquid akehaka
kwĩmakia
hĩndĩ ĩyo we rĩ ũragũrĩirwo ni fea rĩ na rende ngĩ rĩ ũrahinyĩka mbo never mind. Ndio sisi hawa tulikujanga na lombi.
We are this.
Tulikujanga na
lombi.
Sasa ya ukweli, sio ya cloud.
Ila yaja na 54.